Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Today we will start our history chapter. Chapter number 1. Chapter name is Tracing Changes in the Medieval Period. See beta, we will start. The medieval period stretches from the 8th to 18th century. That means the time from 8th century to the 18th century. Firstly, medieval means, the meaning of medieval means middle time period. See beta, these time periods are divided into two periods. First one is early medieval period, which one from 8th to 13th century, and next one is late medieval period 13th century to 18th century. That means इसको two parts में divide कर दिया गया है. See, first is early medieval period, that means 8th to 13th century. It includes the rule of Palas, Pratiharas, Rashtrakutas, Cholas and Rajputs. That means ये dynasties है बेटा जो उस time period में 8 to 13 centuries तक इन्होंने रूल किया है. इसे उस पार्ट में अर्ली medieval period में डिवाइड किया गया है. Now next is late medieval period from 13th to 18th century. It includes the rule of the Turks, Afghans and Mughals. That means in this time Turks, Afghans and Mughals were ruled. Next point in this beta, see British historians. Historians are those persons who writes the history. British historians has divided the history into three parts. First one, Hindu, Muslim and British. That means these are based on religion of the rulers. That means किस particular ruler का religion क्या रहा होगा. That means वो हिंदू था, मुस्लिम था या फिर ब्रिटिशन पर्सन्स था. तो historians ने उसे तीन parts में divide किया है. See बेटा, now the next topic of this chapter is old and new terminologies. Firstly, we will discuss about the meaning of terminologies. Terminology mean the special words and expressions. कुछ भी special words या expressions हैं that are used in particular profession, subject or activity. See the example of terminologies. We are taking one example that means Hindustan. बेटा that means ये terms जो हैं particularly अलग अलग time period में इनके meaning different रहे हैं. See the example we are taking the Hindustan. The word used by Muslims and Babur also. Muslims ने use किया था medieval time में and Babur has used this term in 16th century. Muslims का जो मीनिंग था, हिंदुस्तान मीनिंग था सब कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ हिंदूज. दैट मीन्स सब कॉन्टिनेंट मीन्स पार्ट ऑफ अ कॉन्टिनेंट. और उन्होंने एट दैट टाइम दे रेफर टू द पीपल एज हिंदूज एंड हिंदूज मीन्स अ नेटिव ऑफ हिंदुस्तान. नाउ Babur has used this term in 16th century. That means उसने इसका मीनिंग क्या लिया, टू डिस्क्राइब द फ्लोरा, fauna and culture in the subcontinent. That means both meanings are different and the different time. Yes beta. Next topic is social and political changes. That means in this time period so many social and political changes are occurring. Large scale developments are there. New technologies, three main new technologies were there at that time. First one is Persian wheel in the irrigation, second spinning wheel in the weaving, third one is firearms in the combat. I have written the meaning of these two words and you can see the pictures of these two in your book page number 8. And some new foods and beverages are also arrived in the subcontinents like potatoes, corn, chilies, tea and coffee. Now some major changes at that time was, first one, people traveled long distances for job. In the second point beta, in this period forests were also cleared for agriculture part and peoples were divided into jatis and subcaste. These people were ranked on the basis of their occupation. That means उनका occupation क्या है उसके according उनकी society में उन्हें सब caste में उन्हें जातीज में divide किया गया था. These ranks were not fixed permanently. That means ये time to time उनकी occupation के according, उनकी power, influence और resources के according चेंज होता रहता था बेटा. एंड जातीज फ्रेम्ड देयर ओन रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन. जितनी भी जातीज या सब कास्ट थी उन्होंने अपने अलग रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस फॉर्म किए हुए थे. दिस मच इज़ फॉर टुडे बेटा. दीज आर glossary. 4 points are here: medieval, chronicle, biography and travelogue. Write and learn in your notebook and learn chapter 1 civics, which we have done last week. I will give you test assignment very soon. Thank you so much.